Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each every one of you. How are you all doing? I'm here in cinema. I'm gonna watch a movie. And there are only two movies that I have to choose for. The one is The Amateur and the other one is A Working Man. Since that A Working Man is a type of Jason Statham move, so I expect that it's just the same, but I chose The Amateur. So I forgot who's on The Amateur, but I think it's Ben Affleck or no, The Amateur. Hold on, there it's not The Accountant, but I've seen the poster of The Amateur, maybe in the other cinemas. Hold on. Actually, guys, I supposed to watch a Snow White and Captain America, but since it's already started 8 o'clock, so can't able to catch it up. By the way, before I buy a ticket, I just want to thank the Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I wonderful blessings actually, and for all the challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, and to Helen Careto. Hi, Ups and Rock Legazpi City, also my childhood friend. Hi, and to each every one of you, to all my silent subscribers out there, to all my Facebook viewers, to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much, each every one of you, and to all my lovely countries. I forgot. Philippines, United States, United Kingdom, Indonesia, Canada, Japan, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, and so on and so forth. Sorry. Okay, let's proceed. Hi. Ano ba yun? The Amateur. Eye level. Wala na? There's still? Amateur. Eye level yan?
Yes.
Okay, sige.
May eyelid. Amateur film.
I think there's a problem. Thank you to each every one of you.
Thank you.
So there's a popcorn, no?
Yes.
Ayun.
Cinema 12. Thank you.
Hi, say hi. What's your name?
G.
Thank you. How's your day? So I have a free popcorn. Oh my gosh. That would be all for now, guys and girls. Okay, I'll be back with you. But for now, thank you for watching.